In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with WordPress. Whether you're managing a blog, running an online store, or growing your business website, connecting HubSpot and WordPress can significantly simplify your workflows and improve your marketing strategy. This integration allows you to track visitors, manage forms, and access powerful marketing tools directly from your WordPress dashboard. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to take full advantage of these features. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.hubspot.com. This is the central hub for all HubSpot tools and services, and it's where you'll begin the integration process. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Next, enter your HubSpot credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up using the link in the description to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot dashboard, which is the main area where you can manage all your tools and settings. Now locate and click on the Apps section within the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the integrations and third-party applications that HubSpot supports. The Apps section is key because it connects HubSpot to other platforms, like WordPress, to extend its functionality. In the Apps section, use the search bar to look for HubSpot for WordPress. This will help you quickly find the specific integration you need rather than scrolling through the entire list of available apps. Once you spot it, click on the HubSpot for WordPress application to access its dedicated page. Here you'll find detailed information about the integration, including its features and the benefits it can bring to your website. On the HubSpot for WordPress page, look for the Install App button and click on it. This is the action that will initiate the integration process, so it's an important step. HubSpot will then guide you through the necessary steps right on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. HubSpot has designed this process to be as straightforward as possible, so you'll be walked through everything you need to do. Just in case you run into any issues during this step, don't worry. You can always visit the HubSpot support pages for additional resources. These pages include troubleshooting guides and helpful information to get you back on track. Once you've completed the installation process, it's time to verify that the integration is working as expected. Head over to your WordPress site and check for the new functionality. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see tools that allow you to track visitors, manage forms, and access HubSpot's marketing features directly within WordPress. Finally, take some time to explore the new features of the integration. This is your chance to understand how these tools can benefit your website and cater to your specific needs. Whether it's setting up lead capture forms, analyzing visitor behavior, or automating your marketing efforts, you now have the tools to make it happen. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with WordPress. Now you can streamline your workflows and leverage the power of both platforms to enhance your website and marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.